Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick video just demonstrating the power of supply and demand trading. So like I told you in my last video, we got knocked out today because of the snowstorm on the East Coast. So I had really nothing to do and I was just putzing through the news. And on Facebook I came across this article about an oil trader who lost $130 million in the first 2 months of the year. This is on oil. His name is Pierre Adurand. So he was down 130 million on the first 2 months, January and February. And if you're familiar with oil, you'll know that we went down as low as almost $47 a barrel. So which means that he lost way more than $130 million. So I wanted to take a quick look at oil using supply and demand trading. Now, if you guys remember, these are the zones we drew in. I don't even remember. It was a few days ago, or maybe just a day or two ago, maybe. So isn't that crazy that this zone held to pretty much the penny? That is insane. And if you know, we missed this. This trade looks like we missed by a penny or two. I don't know. But the point of this video wasn't really to look at the old zones that we drew in. It was actually to look on a bigger time frame. So this is what Pierre was looking at in the first 2 months of trading. So it was somewhere around here, beginning of 2017. Let me clean off this chart. So if you notice, let me just draw this in for you. Remember guys, this is on a weekly chart. So the supply and demand levels on a weekly chart are going to be really powerful. So it would be something like that. And if you notice, we tested this thing a few times in May and then again in October. So at the beginning of 2017, I definitely would have been buying here, that's for sure. Although I was thinking that we had the potential to go up to this area here. Now, if you read the article, Pierre was thinking that we can get up to $70 a barrel, which is up here. So I definitely think Pierre is right. We will eventually get there. Wait, no. Well, let me just encompass this whole thing. We'll just encompass this whole area here with this supply zone here. So the orders are being eaten away at this level here. I really did think we could get to this top zone again, although I was thinking definitely not to buy it. So now that the market is coming down, we are entering, there's a demand level there. And there is a demand level down here. Although this is really kind of messy. Not exactly 100% sure how to draw this, but I will tell you there's definitely demand down there. We'll just draw it in like that for now. But the point of this video is just to show you that you have to know when to buy and sell. And when you're up here in January, you definitely don't want to be looking for buying opportunities, especially coming into an old supply zone on the weekly chart or even a monthly chart. You should be looking for at least a short-term selling opportunity and looking to buy somewhere down here, or better yet, even down here. But I do eventually think we will get to $70 a barrel going through this supply level while reacting off of it and then going up eventually. Once we come back to this area here, I fully expect to go through it, as it looks like a lot of the orders were consumed. And I just wanted to give you one more analysis. It's on Citrix stock. I saw in the news today. There was an analyst, I'm not sure who it was, but he was basically saying this is a really hot stock to buy right now. And it's really funny because analysts always tell you that stocks are hot when they're going up, and I think as traders and investors, we're taught that when things are high, that it's a good time to buy, and when things are low, it's a good time to sell. And really, nothing could be further from the truth. When we're on this weekly chart here of what is it again? Citrix. Oh, Citrix Systems. And if you look, that there's a demand level right there. And now they definitely created some supply up here. We came close to it, probably like that. So it's funny that they're saying this is a buy now, when supply and demand traders know that we should have been buying around $71.34. And this gap is excellent, because once you gap into a demand area or you gap into a supply area, just know that there's a high probability that trade or investment will work out. Now, I know a lot of the things that I'm saying are foreign, or it might be foreign to you guys, but again, I hope to show you how to use supply and demand trading to your advantage in the future. So thanks, guys. Well, hopefully this helped you guys out in some way or fashion. Have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Take care. Bye.